Run to paradise, run to paradise, run to paradise. Jesus says it's gonna be alright. He's gonna pat my back so I can walk in the light. You don't mind if I abuse
like honey.